Welcome to Animals of the Irish. I thought I'd do something a little bit different today and show ye what ye can do with Archaeology.ie. So go to Historic Environment Viewer, then go down a bit, then go to Launch Historic Environment Viewer Application, load in there. As you can see, Ireland. Now, with this, you could type in any place that you want. Like, even if you're from Galway, wherever in Dublin, Limerick, Cork, Waterford. In my case, let's say for the crack, Thurles. Now, as you see, you get a lot of information here. But, as you can see, there's a lot of dots. The blue dots are houses. The red dots are basically like ring forts, enclosures, or old areas of churches. Just like St. Britain's Church used to be here at Abbey Road. And also, for the crack that I'm also going to show you, that you can actually play around a lot with this. Like the first edition, like this is the old map. If you want to play around also. Really quick. Back to home. Just like so. See? Even an old map of Ireland. You can see it all. You can play with, you can generally play with this, generally play with it. But anyway, so I thought that, as I said, you'd be interested in checking this out,